Leslie speaking.
Hello, Leslie.
Yes.
Hi, good morning.
Hi.
My name's Patrick. I'm with a company called Cleaning Services.
Yes.
So we're based right here in Newburgh. We offer a wide range of commercial cleaning services here in the state area, whether it's healthcare, office buildings, outpatient facilities. Our management team brings over 30 years of deep expertise in the commercial cleaning space. So you can trust we're providing the highest quality of service every time. Do you currently have a cleaning partner, or do you outsource your cleaning, or do you handle it in-house?
Well, we currently outsource. I have a partner that I've been working with for a while, but I'm always open to new proposals.
Okay.
Out there.
Yeah, do some market research, right? Just to kind of compare operations and pricing. Okay,
yes.
Okay, great. And just so first off, we offer services such as floor care work, carpet care, and then we specialize in this electrostatic cleaning, which you might have heard of it. The cleaning disinfect services. So the treatment will get rid of disease or ineffective area in 1 minute time period. We do window cleaning in the medical, commercial, and industrial spaces, and we supply paper goods, soaps, and garbage bags as well.
Okay.
So I work with our owner, and so what we do is so you can get some pricing, to compare what you're doing, and then you can also compare workflow and strategy. We do an in-person free consultation walkthrough, and then you can get a quote. Would you have some time after the holiday? I was thinking for us to come by, let's say the week of the week of the 3rd coming up.
Okay, hold on one second.
He has the 3rd or the 5th.
I have the 3rd. It looks like.
Okay.
But the following week would be better.
That would be better. The week of the 10th better.
Yes.
The week of the 9th. Okay. How about the 10th? It's Tuesday.
10th. Sure.
Okay. How is 11 a.m.?
Okay.
And then we're going to send you a calendar invite and for the in-person walkthrough. Your email address.
You can use @.org.
Okay, so that's .org.
Yes.
Okay, and then you're the building manager.
Yes.
Okay, and just before I let you go, and then I just want to confirm the site address, please.
Sure. It's Drive.
Okay. All right. And then how many days per week are you looking to potentially have services for? Like how often? 5 days. 5. Okay. And then are you currently on a net 30? This means you pay within 30 days. Is it? Are you?
Yes.
Okay. All right. And then just what we'd like to ask, like, what are some challenges you're hoping to improve with your current cleaning provider, if any?
I'm not sure. We also use for service and yes, for some of the service. So
is that spelled as first? Okay, so you use for some of the service. Okay,
for some of the supplies and things like that. So
for some of the supplies.
I'm not really sure. I'm really pretty happy with the firm that we've been using. But I wouldn't be doing my job if I didn't keep an open mind. So.
Exactly. Of course. It's always good to dot your I's and cross your T's. So okay. All right. So we will we'll send you over a calendar invite for the walkthrough and free consultation for December 10th at 11 a.m.
Okay. Thank you. Could you please just remind me your name and the company name?
My name is Patrick, and our company name, the owner that you're going to be contacting is, and we're called Cleaning Services out of Newburgh.
Miller's Touch. Okay.
And then Leslie, your last name. All right. So we will see you on the 10th.
All right. Have a good holiday.
You as well, Leslie. We look forward to it.
Take care.
Thanks.
Bye-bye.